Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. In this video, we're going to see expected questions for CA Inter, Corporate and other laws for May 23 exams. This is not a random prediction. What we've done is basically understood chapter by chapter how the questions have been tested right from May 2018 till the latest attempt of November 22. For example, just to show you one small sample, if we take the chapter Incorporation of a company, you can see that in every attempt, they at least ask small company or OPC or Section 8 company. But in the last one attempt, May 22, they didn't ask small company, one person company, and Section 8 company. And the same thing was not even tested in November 22. So two attempts, these two topics have not been tested. So in our expected questions in an incorporation chapter, I have marked small company, Section 8 company, and one person company as an important area. Now, looking at this, how have we worked in the past? So if you look at the previous attempts, from what we expected, how much marks have come in Jan 21 30 marks, July 21 44, December 21 45, then May 22 45, and then the latest November 22 we got 51 marks out of 92 marks in our exams. Let me show you one more pattern, but before I go there, I just want to give you an important disclaimer about this analysis. That's the reason we released it a little late. This is only analysis based on past trends and it predominantly works. But the important thing is I don't want you to study only this for exam, but give more importance to these areas. Another important announcement is we'll be giving a lot of free content on this YouTube channel. The links are available in the description. Both groups accounting standards, detailed and revision videos are given for free. CA Inter, other law videos, revision videos are given for free. And also few paid courses available as CA Inter Advanced Accounting Crash Recording Batch is available for 1,000 rupees. CA Inter Log Crash is available for 2,500 with the material. And then CA Inter Regular Accounts and Advanced Accounts for November 23 exams is available at 3,500 per subject. So coming back to pattern analysis, let me show you another sample for you to understand how this works. If you take charges chapter, it was not tested for two attempts in July 21 and December 21 attempt. So we gave it importance in May 22 and November 22 in our expected questions, and it came both the times in the exam. If you take for this attempt, so what's important for this attempt, if you take management and administration chapter, this attempt, the latest November 22 attempt was the first attempt where it came only for 4 marks. Usually it comes somewhere close to 10 marks. So this time in May 23, you can expect a lot of marks from management and administration chapter. Similarly, if you go to other laws, if you take chapters like Negotiable Instrument Act, or if you take chapters like General Clauses and Interpretation of Statutes, one trend we can notice over here is if you see Negotiable Instrument Act, none of the questions generally get repeated. Most of the times they ask something new which was never asked before. That's the trend that's always been. Like, for example, if you take interpretation of statutes, this time also, if you look at the trend, if you see a trend which goes like a graph downward, every time they're asking something new which has not been tested. And this time they ask rule of adjustum generis. So if you look at our summary questions also, in interpretation of statutes, predominantly I would have marked those questions, or even in Negotiable Instrument Act, those concepts that have not yet been tested, along with a few concepts that have been tested. So interpretation of statutes, I have marked those which have not been tested, plus of course a few things which have been tested, like Hayden's rule, which may repeat. So this is how this list has been provided. The PDF for this most important file, expected questions for May 23, is available in the link of this video. You can access it, and all the best for your exams. Thank you for your time till here.